This is the home page of our application, uh, which contain a responsive header which represent our application name, medikiosk, and we have some responsive navigation bar which is the entry of our services. And we have some carousel site and some body, and here is a mark U tag to attract the customers. And here we have a responsive footer which represent our application name, and have some details, brief introduction about our services or applications, and some contact details and some social media icon to get contact to with more people. We design this application by front end Angular, and for backend we use Spring Boot to create different type of APIs, application programming interface. And for database we use the NoSQL database or MongoDB database. We also have a top menu bar or header which contain our application name, home, about us, and there is a button called login to get some security in our application. So this is all about our front end design part. Now take a look at the medicine service. So in our application, we divide the medicine service into three parts. First, medicine registration, and medicine dashboard, and the medicine recommendation. So first, we go to the medicine dashboard. So it is our medicine dashboard. So here we see all the medicines are available to us. ID, medicine name, disease, company, quantity, and price. So all the medicines uh, is available in the medicine dashboard. So if there are 1,000 or 2,000 medicine, and if a user want to find any medicine, then there is a option for search. He can search by name or he can search by disease. Suppose we search, suppose medicine macpot, then here we give macpot, and it is we search by medicine name. So and when we click the search, we see that the medicine macpot with ID, disease, bacterial infections, company, uh, and quantity 8 and price 300 is so. And now if a user want to search the medicine by disease, suppose we want to search medicine with disease acidity, so we want to show the medicine available with the disease acidity, then we write acidity, and when we search, we see that for a particular disease acidity there are two medicine, diazine and diamol 40 is and it with its quantity and what is the price and is shown to us. So this is about our medicine dashboard. And now we take a look at the medicine registration. So here also all the medicine available in our MongoDB database is shown to us, but here we can add or update, delete any kind of medicine. So this is a kind of medicine registration service. So if we want to add any kind of medicine, Then we click add, and we give the proper information. We give ID 7, username Mediciox, medicine name Lomotil, and it is for diarrhea. And suppose the company RPG Life Science, and then we give the quantity 60, price 2868. And when we save, we see that the medicine Lomotil for the disease diarrhea is shown. And if we want to update any medicine, suppose we update the Dizine medicine with quantity 60 and price 500. So quantity 60 and price 500, and when we save it, we see that the hygiene quantity 60 and price 500 is updated. And if we want to delete any type medicine, suppose we delete the Jofran medicine, then we click delete, and we see that Jofran is deleted. We also divide the doctor service into two parts. First, doctor registration and doctor dashboard. So first we go doctor dashboard. So here we all the doctors is available. So doctor ID, doctor name, gender, specialist, email ID, experience, and we divide the address into three part. First, city, state, and pin code. Now, if there is 1,000 or more than doctor is available in our database, and if a user want to search any kind of doctor by name or some by some specialist, then we have some option, but search doctor by name, search doctor by specialist, and search doctor by address. First we search the doctor by name. Suppose I search the doctor Orbin Singh, and when we click the search, we see that the Dr. Orbin Singh with its all the information about its specialization, gender, email ID is available. And if I want to search doctor by specialization, suppose I search doctor by cardiologist, and when we search, we see that for specialization cardiologist, the Dr. Lolit Ghosh is available. And if we want to search doctor by address, suppose I search doctor available at Mumbai, then Mumbai, and when we search, so for the city Mumbai, we have the doctor Suresh Advani. So this is all about our doctor dashboard. And now we go to the doctor registration. So in the registration we have also available doctor, and if I want to add any doctor, so give doctor ID 6, username, name, gender male, specialization heart, experience 40 years, email ID, city Kolkata, West Bengal, and then pin code. And when we save it, we see that the doctor is added into our application. And if we want to update any doctor information, suppose we want to update the experience of the doctor Lolit Ghosh with for 12 year to 15 year, then we click update, and after giving the experience as 15 year, and when we click save, we see that the Lolit Ghosh with experience 15 year is updated. And if we want to delete any doctor, suppose we delete the doctor Suresh Advani, then we click delete. So this doctor Suresh Advani is deleted. So basically here we create 4 APIs: get, put, post, delete to perform this type of operation: add, update, delete, search. So this is all about our doctor service. We can look at the appointment service. So we divide the appointment service into two parts: first book appointment and the appointment dashboard. So first we go to the appointment dashboard. So here, when we book an appointment, all the doctor appointed in our application is show here. So here already one doctor is appointment, and now we book another appointment. So I click book appointment. So this is basically a registration form. So we first fill the form, and when we click the register, then a mail will be triggered to the concerned doctor that a appointment has been booked. So we give the doctor name, and now we click the register button. So here a message is come: thank you, your appointment has been successful, and a mail has been sent to the concerned doctor. Now we go to the appointment dashboard. So here we see that the doctor Orbin Singh is appointed. So this is how we implement the appointment service into our application. We create a service called doctor on call, so where we can send our reason of health problem with contact number to the doctor's email ID, and after that the patient will able to consult with the doctor by video conferencing. So we fill the form by patient name, patient contact, doctor name, doctor contact, doctor email ID, and for reason for the cause health problem. So it's a chronic neurologic disorders. So we have to click the send. So these messages come: thank you, your details has been sent successfully sent to the concerned doctor, and we will connect you shortly. So the patient name, contact, and the reason for the consultation will send to the doctor's email ID. And after that, a video we can able to consult a doctor by video conferencing. Now we go to the hospital service. So we divide the hospital service in hospital registration and dashboard. So first we go to the hospital dashboard. So here all the hospital of our NoSQL database is shown, and with hospital ID, hospital name, type of the hospital, capacity, email ID, contact, city, state, and pin code of the particular hospital. So here we also have three search type. So search hospital by name, by type, and by address. Suppose we want to search any hospital. Suppose we want to search the Apollo hospital, and when we search it, so Apollo hospital is come. Now we search by type. So we search by type AC. So when we search it, so we see that the type AC, the available hospital of type AC. And now we search by address. Suppose we search by Kolkata, and now we search it. So the city Kolkata, the available hospital is Take Care Hospital. So this is about our hospital dashboard. Now we go to the hospital registration. So here we perform the registration of a hospital. We can perform add, update, or delete of a particular hospital. Now we add a hospital. Now we save it. So the Medicover hospital, type non-AC, capacity 500, with email ID, contact number, city, state, pin code is added. Now we update. Suppose we update the capacity of the Happy Health hospital from 110 to 500, then 500, and when we save it, we see that 500 is updated. And now we delete any of the hospital. Suppose we delete the Take Care hospital, then we simply click delete and it will be deleted. So this is all about our hospital registration service. Now we go to the emergency service. So we divide the emergency service into two parts. First, emergency search, and second is emergency booking. So we go to emergency search. So here we see all the emergencies like oxygen, ambulance, and blood. So the and we also see the availability of the oxygens in the first column. and availability of the ambulance in the second column, and the availability of the blood in the third column. So for oxygen we have 4 hospital, and for each hospital we have hospital name, hospital address, and hospital contact. So this is also same for ambulance and also for blood. So here user can easily find out which emergency type is available in which hospital with his necessary address and contact number. And if the user need any type of emergency, so there is a option he can book emergency. So we go to emergency booking. So it is a simple registration form. He can fill this form and a mail will be sent to him with his necessary contact details. Now we book emergency. So first, type of emergency: oxygen, patient name, patient contact, hospital name, hospital contact, email ID, city, state, pin code. And now after that we click the send. So we see, thank you, your details has been successfully sent to the concerned hospital and we will connect you shortly. So after we click the send button, the patient name, patient contact number is sent to the hospital email ID. So this is how we implement the emergency service into our application. Now take a look at the medical shop. So here, all the shops are available in our application. So we see that shop name, the medicine available for a particular shop, the contact number of the shop, city, state, and pin code of that particular shop. And we have created a JSON structure and in a within a JSON, and in our MongoDB database, and we display it in Angular. So here we see for a particular shop, healthcare shop, there is a two medicine is available with its quantity and its price. So here another for shop Apollo Center, there is two medicine with its quantity, price, and with necessary contact, city, state, and pin code. Here all the shops are available. So if we have more than 1,000 shop, then user have two option. He can search by shop by name, or he can search by address. Suppose we want to uh, find out the shop in Kolkata. So now we write it Kolkata, and when we search it, we see that for a particular city, Kolkata, so we have three shops available: healthcare shop, Med Plus medicine shop, and Dalmia medical store. And in the shop we have also found the available medicine. Now we want to search shop by name. Suppose we search the Apollo Center. So Apollo, the, shop, Apollo, the, so, Apollo, the, so, Apollo Center is come with its medicine, quantity, price. So here we see that for a particular city, Kolkata, so we have three shops available: healthcare shop, Med Plus medicine shop, and Dalmia medical store. And in the shop we have also found the available medicine. Now we want to search shop by name. Suppose we search the Apollo Center. So So this is about our medical shop application. Now we take a look at the enquiry service. So we go to the enquiry service. So if a user have any query about our services like hospital, medicine, clinic, or medicine shop, or appointment, then he can place his query here with his contact number. So suppose I write a query, please provide. So I write a put a enquiry, please provide emergency service details, and I give the contact number. So when I uh, click the submit button, so it's so that thank you, your inquiry has been successfully received, we'll connect you shortly. So if I go to our service spring application, so here we see that a message has been come, received message, please provide emergency service detail at the right number. So we when we submit the inquiry, it will come into this application direct. Now we place another inquiry. Now we submit it. So I write, please provide hospital visiting hours details, and I give the contact number. I submit it. So if I go to the application, so here we see that another message is come, please provide hospitals visiting hour details at the rate and the number. As we have not enough time, so we place this type of message in the console, but our main target is to place this query into a CSV file, and then we use Python for data analysis for different type of user query. So this is how we implement the inquiry service in our application. Now take a look at the clinic service. So here we have clinic registration and clinic dashboard. Now we go to dashboard. So here all the available clinic, and now we also implemented three search type: search by name, search by open time, and search by address. Suppose we search any of the clinic. So health clinic is available. Now we search by open time, 8 am. So with open time 8 am, Medica Zone clinic is available. And now we search by address. Suppose we search Chennai. So in Chennai we have the hospital Apollo Clinic. So this is all about our clinic dashboard. Now we go to the registration. So all the data of our NoSQL database about clinics, like clinic's name, open time, close time, email ID, contact city, state, pin code, is available in our application. Now if we want to add any of the clinic, now we save it and we see helping hand clinic, open time, close time, email ID, contact city, state, and pin with pin code is added. Now if we want to update the close time of the care medical clinic from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m., then we update and we give it as 6 p.m. Now we save. We see that 6 p.m. is saved, updated. And if we want to delete, suppose we want to delete this medica zone clinic, now we delete, so it is deleted. Now if we go to the clinic dashboard and we search for city Chennai, and now search, so two clinic is available for city Chennai. So this is all about our clinic service. Now we go to another service. So our one left service, which is medicine recommendation, and there is another service, early diagnosis. So we first go to medicine recommendation. So here there is two button download now for each of the medicine recommendation and early diagnosis. So when we click it, a file will be or image will be downloaded. So I click it. So we see that a image is download. Now we open the image. So we see that the file is downloaded. This file, this medicine recommendation, and this is a image file where the user can see the serial number wise medical condition and medicine recommendations. So there is a defined type of medical recommendation is there, and the with its medicine recommendation also provided here. Now we download the early diagnosis. So I click it download now. So another file is also downloaded. Now I open it. So we see that this early diagnosis image file is downloaded, and here we see different type of symptoms, disease detected, medicine recommendation, doses, and healthcare center nearby. So this is early diagnosis image file is downloaded. So here we use basically Spring Mongo GridFS template to create this type of application in our backend part. Now we close it and go to our main application. So this is how the medicine recommendation or early diagnosis is implemented in our application. There is also a service called first aid service into our application. So if a user want to get any type of first aid, then he can find it here. So here all the first aid is available with first aid medicine and with its price. And if you want to search any kind of first aid, like, so the required first aid is come. Now we go to the checkup service. So in our checkup service, there is a two part: book a checkup, where user can check up book a checkup, and there is a checkup schedule where user can download a file where he can get the recommended checkup. So I click this download now to see how what type of checkup is available in our application. So first I download. So we see a file is downloaded, and we open it. So here we see that this type of checkup is available. Monthly free checkup details, we get this file by downloading. So here user can see the details of the checkup and screenings. So, and when and in kind of their age, they can see their checkup. There are different checkup is available in our application. Now we close it and go to our application, main application. So now there is another option called book a checkup, where user can book his checkup, book for a checkup. So I gave the checkup type. So I checkup, and then name, then gender, email ID, contact number, then city, state, and then pin code. And we have to submit it. So I click the book checkup button to submit. So I see that a result come: thank you, your booking has been successful. So this is how we implemented the checkup service into our application. So we have completed most of the services. Now one service has left called feedback service, and this is the last service in the application. So we now go to feedback service. So if a user put his feedback about our application, then he simply write it here. So I write a feedback. So I write a feedback, this application is really helpful for medical purposes. So when I submit it, so it comes the message, thank you for your valuable feedback. So now we go to the our backend part. So here we see that a message has been received, this application is really helpful for medical purposes. As we have not enough time, so we pinned this type of message in the console, but our main target is to put keep this type of user feedback into a CSV file, and we uses Python Flask to for data analysis. So this is how user can give his feedback. We have visited all the services. Thanks to give your valuable time to see this application, and in near future we continuously upgrade this application to take this into a professional level. Thank you.